parties anyone can ever wish for. All your childhood stories are really interesting and I love listening to them. And I'm looking forward for more stories. Have a great day ahead. Then?
Yes. Very nice.
Very nice.
There's a,
Very nice.
Short and sweet.
There's a note now. All the notes you're about to read is completely handwritten by me. The messages were sent in order to insert it here. Okay, then the note is from Srihari.
I want to listen to this one.
Srihari, yeah.
From Srihari.
Sadhana, you can do better.
From Srihari. Happy birthday party. I wish you a great 88th birthday. Party, you see Krishna every day, right? I have so much fun watching it with you, though I sleep out most of the times. Whenever I ask you to put TV, you put it right away, and thank you for being so kind. I once again wish you a very happy birthday. I love you so much. And also one more thing. I would be obedient and concentrate on my studies too.
What is the last thing? I didn't get.
I will also be obedient and concentrate on my studies properly.
Oh, wow. Very good.
Because I am attending.
Okay, the next note is from Bhaskar, that is Appa. My dear mom, I am perhaps the most privileged to be with you for the last 44 years. That is exactly half your age. It has been a very blessed experience seeing how you have carried yourself through the years, balancing priorities and never, I don't understand the handwriting. Never letting us feel the ups and downs of life. Sometimes only a very loving and caring person can do. We are indeed fortunate to be blessed by your presence in our lives. It's from Patamata. From Patamata. A wonderful mother who guided and guarded us at every step, taught me how to face life and its challenges on my own after I got married. That had definitely made me strong enough to handle all the ups and downs in life. Thank you, dearest Amma. I love you lots. Then from Raghavan Peripa. Amma, may God bless you of good health, peace of mind and unlimited happiness. We remember fondly the wonderful times we have spent with you. The distance between our locations now prevents us from meeting you in person, but our love and affection for you has only grown. Okay, from Anand. Backbone to the entire family, very calm and a great inspiration to all. Your motivation and advice to us gives us a new way to success. Happy birthday, Mommy. We need your blessings forever. From Karthik, he made like an abbreviation thing. Can you see?
You have to read it out.
Amma. It stands for, you can read, stands for amazing.
Take it with you. Read it.
It stands for amazing, magnanimous, mother love, auspicious, mentor the best, always little
Yay. Very good.
Then he also says, you are our dearest divine mother and we are blessed to have been raised by you, nurtured with wholesome food, spiritually seeded and taught to be the best human beings. Then from Rajmata, always there for us, taking care of us, praying for us, worried about us, waiting for us, advising us, consoling us, holding us close to her heart. That is our mother, Tirupura Sundari Shastri. Today when you want us to be with you, we are unavailable. Even if you want to speak with us, we have to tell you when to speak. Sorry, Ma. Life is so hectic that it is very difficult to spare time. But we love you a lot. Happy birthday.
Yes.
And from Amma, Anita. I am so very blessed to have gained not just a mother-in-law through marriage, but a best friend as well. I hope your birthday is just as spectacular as it was for me. Life has given me plenty of reasons to be happy, and you are one of them. I couldn't wish for a better mother-in-law.
Yay.
Then from Radhika Didi. Dearest Amma, I don't think I could ever forget the days we all sat around you in a circle to eat dal rice balls, or the time when the smell of Teratipal would be waiting around the whole house, or just the smell of your warm, tight hugs. I'm so glad that my children have you around.
Close it.
Wishing you the bestest birthday.
Oh, patient.
Excellent, yeah. Sadhana, you've done a wonderful job. She has made a booklet for it.
ஆமா இட்ஸ் a
Lovely.
beautiful பண்ணிருக்காரு. Yeah, she has done a beautiful job.
Very talented.
Then,
பாவம் அதுக்கு hectic schedule தெரியுமா படிப்பு கிடிப்புலாம்.
From
Okay, all of us wishing happy birthday, dear அம்மாக்கு. Ready?
One second, it's
hey.
not over.
Okay, can we start?
Hey, it's not over.
Come on.
Hey, not over. Not over. Not over.
It's not over.
கேக்கல.
From Shailu Didi.
Hey, கொஞ்சம் கேக்கறதான்னு கேளு.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Gayatri. Hi, Gopu.
Go, keep going.
Okay, from Shailu Didi now. You've always been a symbol of comfort and kindness ever since my childhood. You've been a pillar of support and love through so many situations. On your birthday, I pray to Swami to bless you with incredible strength and love always.
Yes.
Then from Sandhya Didi, but she's not here, unfortunately. Happy birthday to the lady who woke up every single day so we could sleep in late, who went hungry so we could have second helpings, and for have given me my wonderful mom and family. And through her warmth, always making us feel that there is someone to go to when all else feels great. From Chittappa, we pray to God to give you many more healthy and happy years, guiding and supporting the family. From Sindhu Didi, dearest Amma, when I think of you, there is only one word that comes to my mind: unique. You are truly one of a kind and best mentor anyone can have. Namaskaram from me to you on your special day.
Sindhu.
From Archana Didi, I wish you a very happy birthday. May you enjoy good health, good company and good memories. Always smile and always stay happy. Meera, Harshad and I send you lots of love on this special day.
Late ஆயிடுச்சு.
Hey, Meera அது அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கா drawing சொல்லுடேன்.
Yeah. Meera sent a drawing for party.
It was very nice. She has sent the greetings.
லவுடா பேசுறீங்களா?
Then from Jeevi Tata and family, our wishes for a healthy, wealthy and a very long life to you from Narayan, Geeta, Anand, Nandini and of course Sayadvika.
Oh,
Then there's a last page that I wrote on my own. But who is a grandma? A grandma is a second mother and we should feel very grateful for her. They play an important role in the family, particularly these days when both parents are very busy. You make so many sweets and snacks such as Taltipal, Mysore Pak, but I don't forget none of them. I don't forget none of them are not as sweet as you. You taught me that it was the heart that made someone beautiful, and there's no one with a heart more beautiful than yours.
oh, wow.
Very good.
Straight from the heart. Beautiful.
You have brought me peace, comfort, and laughter. My happiness stems from you, and so today I wish you all the joy in the world. You've always done your best to make my birthday wishes come true. Now it's my turn. Anything you want today is yours. For all the warmth you've gifted me over the years, I'm returning it 10,000 times today. You're the most amazing, generous person I know. I hope that whenever you choose to use your birthday candle, wish brings you as much as joy as you bring to our entire family. Having you in my life is the greatest gift anyone can wish for. The world is a better place because of you. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. There, Ashwin. Hi.
Ashwin beta.
There. Hi, handsome. Come here. Yeah, it's
You can ask Ashwin Anna to say a few words.
Unmute. We can't hear you, Ashwin.
Yes, I'm here only. Actually, he's here only.
எங்க இருக்கான் கார்த்திக்?
Yeah.
Pardeme venedo.
Okay.
I have no
Oh, அந்த
words
Karthik.
to say my happiness, I don't know how to. Just I enjoy it. I wish you எல்லாம் நன்னா இருங்கப்பா. எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அக்கேஷன் இவ்வளோ நல்ல பர்த்டே என் லைஃப்பில் நடந்தது கிடையாது. பட் ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. ஒத்துத்துலேயே நினச்சாலும் எனக்கு அவ்வளோ பெருமையாக இருக்குது. என்னுடைய குழந்தைகள் எல்லாரும் மை சில்ட்ரன் ஆர் இவ்வளோ கிரேட்டாக இருக்கிறத பார்த்தா வார்த்தையாக வரல. நிஜமாக நோ வாட்ஸ் டு சே. ஐ திங்க் பெஸ்ட் புக் கிஃப்ட் சாதனா பாரு எவ்வளோ அழகா எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ணி கொடுத்து பாரு.
நேத்தி midnight வரைக்கும்
I
work
did it
பண்றதா?
yesterday till midnight.
Yesterday midnight.
Yeah.
One shot. Kripa is also here. I mean, so you want to wish?
Birthday namaskaram to dear Amma.
Where is the birthday girl? Amma.
இங்க இருக்கேன்டா.
Namaskaram.
Happy birthday
Happy birthday.
and greetings to all.
சந்தோஷம்.
Wishes and pranam.
ஆசீர்வாதம்.
See her.
ராதிகா.
Yes, I got disconnected and I am back.
You're back. Good. Yeah. So now you put in a request, Radhika.
One minute. We had one moment when we were wondering how did Karthik change his costume so quickly at dinner. Then we had profile.
You didn't realize all this time you're at torture wondering why
Still, okay.
Why will I come get up to Amma's birthday party?
Very different. And then
லேப்ல வச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Hey, whose lap are we talking about?